Now let's dig into understanding, where we're going to think about how do we help students understand comparison. First, let's look at some of the standards that ask us to think about comparison in our instruction. And as you can see here, there are standards across grades pre-K through 2. So at every grade level that's applicable for this module right here, we have standards related to comparison. So in preschool, students are expected to identify if the number of objects in one group is greater, less than, or equal to the number in another group. Also at preschool, students should be able to compare two numbers between 1 and 5 when presented as written numerals. We'll talk about written numerals in the next section of this module. In kindergarten, students are expected to compare sets of objects to understand greater, less than, or equal to. And they're also now expected to be able to compare two numbers anywhere presented from 1 to 10, presented with written numerals. As we get into first grade, students are expected to compare two two-digit numbers. And as we get into second grade, we're expected to compare two three-digit numbers. So a lot of comparison across these grade levels. So I would like you to spend some time rereading and reviewing these standards, and then push pause and answer these questions. First, what prerequisite skills are going to be necessary for students to be successful with these standards related to comparison? And then think about, well, what's going to be coming next for students? What proceeding skills will build upon these standards?